Hi, welcome to my video on how to import CSV data into MySQL table. In this video, I'll show you how to load data from the command line using a control file. To accomplish this, we need the following: a table into which the data will be imported, a user account with appropriate privileges, a CSV data file, and a control file that contains instructions to load data into the table. First, start MySQL Workbench application. Go to TestDB schema, then to Tables. Right-click and select Create Table. Name the table car_sales. Now add fields. We have 4 fields in the CSV file: manufacturer, model, sales, and vehicle type. We will also add an extra field, revenue, just to experiment with one of the features. Click Apply to create table. To load data into a table, we need a user account. Click on Management tab and select Users and Privileges. Click on Add Account. Type a login name. I'm going to use testdb_user. Then select a password and confirm it. Now go to Schema Privileges. Click on Add Entry. Selected schema TestDB. Select the checkboxes at the bottom to grant privileges to this user. Click Apply. I already have a CSV file which I placed in a folder. Now create a file called salescontrol.sql in the folder where the data file resides. It is not necessary to use SQL extension for the control file. However, using SQL makes it easy to identify the file type and to work in the workbench if needed. Also, the control file or data file are not required to be in the folder from where we execute the command to load data. Open the control file in a text editor and add the commands. First, we truncate the table to remove all existing data in the table. If you don't want to remove existing data, you can remove this line. Next line identifies the location of the data file. Line 3 shows the table in which to load data. Line 4 and 5 tells how the fields and lines are terminated by. Line 6 tells the program to ignore one line, which is the field names in the CSV file. Finally, line 7 lists the fields in the table into which each field in the CSV file will be imported. These field names don't have to match the field names in the CSV file. As you can see, sales is the field in the table, but it is sales in thousands in the CSV file. Save the control file. Now open a command prompt and change to the directory where we have our control and data files. Run the command MySQL-u testdb_user, which is the name of the user. -p is to prompt the password, and -h is the local host, then the port number, and then database testdb, and we do <sign and pass the control file name. It will prompt you for the password. Now MySQL uploads the data from the CSV file into the table. Let's check the table if the data has been imported into the car sales table. As we see, all fields are correctly populated except the revenue field, which was not in the CSV file. Now we modify the control file and change the sales field to revenue field. By doing so, we are telling the MySQL program to load the data for this field in the CSV file to the revenue field in the table. Save the file. Run the MySQL command again. Let's see what's in the table now. As expected, the revenue field is populated with sales data and the sales field is empty. Hope this helps you to begin using control files to load CSV data. All files that I have used in this video presentation are available in my GitHub repository. Thank you.